Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Chiliz. In my earlier video, I was showing you that we had a fake out from a big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. But on the smaller time frame, on the daily time frame, the price line of Chiliz broke down the support of an up channel and re-entered the same wedge. And this was the channel, by the way. And this was one of those videos. And now on this live chart, you can see that after breaking down this channel, we had a big drop. The target that I was telling you for this channel's breakdown was here at the bottom of the channel at 6.13 cents. And you can see that the price then dropped more than that. And it tested this very long-term support of 5 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 5 cents is a quite long-term support that had been previously breaking as support here for several weeks. And now, again, it is breaking as a very, very nice support. And now if we zoom this chart out, then you can see that after this recent bounce, we have confirmed another support here. Here, by the way, we have found recently this downtrend line resistance and a parallel support we have found here. If I place this trend line here, then you can see that it is moving between these support and resistance levels. We got rejection here, bounce, another bounce, and here we had another rejection, then we had another bounce. And this is the formation of another down channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very huge falling wedge pattern that is formed here on the weekly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Zcash, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup, I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of Chiliz. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it is moving inside this channel. By the way, it was entered the channel here on 4th of December 2024. Since then, it is moving inside this channel. We had rejection here, bounce here, and at the bounce here, rejection, bounce, and now after this bounce, the price and it's once again moving towards the resistance of the channel. At the same time, the price line is also bounced very well from this long-term support of 5 cents. If we take a look at the previous history of this 5 cent support, then you can see that for several days or weeks, it had been breaking as a very, very strong support. And recently, despite this long spike to the downside, the price line could not break down this support of 5 cents. This time, it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately 6.9 cents, and slightly higher than the resistance of this channel. We will have another very strong resistance of 7.46 cents. That's what recently working as a resistance here. And for the past several days, it has been breaking as a support here. And before that, here, it was also breaking as a resistance as well. And here, by the way, it was also breaking as a resistance. Now, if we take a look at the target in case of breaking out this channel, yes, it is also possible, by the way, that while moving inside this channel to the downside, we may also test the support of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that if we will test the support while moving inside this channel to the downside, then we can test the support of the wedge somewhere here approximately at 2.8 cents or 2.6 cents. And in case of breaking out this down channel that is recently formed here on the daily time frame chart, the technical target will be again here at the top of the channel at 14.3 cents. And if the price and reaches there, then we can also break out this long-term resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. But by the way, this time we will need to break out a crisscross of two resistance levels: the resistance of falling wedge pattern and this long-term resistance of 10 cents. And after breaking them out, the pricing can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this 10 cents, by the way, here, that had been previously breaking as a support here, and support here, almost has a support here, despite this long spike, the price and could not break it down. Therefore, again, it can break as a strong resistance along with the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 90 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.